here is Minecraft Java Edition installed and working on my PC. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and play Minecraft Java Edition on your PC. Now, I'm going to be gifting one lucky person Minecraft. If you're interested, just make sure to smash that like, subscribe, and bell button. Go down and comment your favorite version of Minecraft, and then go down in the description and go and click on the giveaway link. There's no such thing as free Minecraft. The closest you can get to that is the trial version. Anything else is probably a virus. Now, first things first, we want to go description, and then we want to go ahead and search for websites and click on the link to my website. Now, once on my website, I need you guys to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on the link to the Minecraft.net site. Now, Minecraft.net is the official Minecraft site and the safest site to get Minecraft on. Now, in spite of what your homepage might look like, I just need you guys to go ahead and click on games. And then once here, you want to go ahead and click on Minecraft. Now, here is one of the most crucial parts of this video, so I need you guys to pay attention. Now, if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see the Program Plus Features tab. Now, if you're a Windows user, a console user, or a mobile user, and you purchase a Java edition of Minecraft, you're going to get the Bedrock edition in addition to that as an extra. However, if you're a macOS user or a Linux user and you purchase a Java edition, you're only going to get the Java edition with no Bedrock edition as an extra. Now, if you scroll down just a little bit more, you're going to see Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, if you're using any of these, you could go ahead and click on that, but you can go ahead and click on Buy Now. Now, once on this page, you're going to see that Minecraft gives you two deals. There's a Deluxe Collection, which is about $40, and that gives you the Java Edition, the Bedrock Edition, the Minecraft Launcher, and some extra accessories. However, there is a standard one that gives you the Java Edition, the Bedrock Edition, and the Launcher as well. However, this is $29.99 and it's much cheaper. Honeygain is an application that allows you to share your internet, and in return, it gives you money. Now, you can earn up to $30 a month and even more, and you can claim $3 once you've registered. Now, this is an app that I used and it works very well. Now, they also give you daily rewards, and the best part about Honeygain is that it allows you to withdraw right to your PayPal account. Also, it allows you to complete challenges at the right hand side so that it can give you credits for that, and it allows you to add more devices so that you can share more internet. Now, if you're on Windows, you get 10% for every bit of internet that you also share. However, if you're on Mac or you're on Linux, you're going to get the Java Edition and the Minecraft Launcher without the Bedrock Edition, all for the same price of $29.99. Now, I don't understand why Minecraft did this, but this is how it works. Now, before you check out or buy anything, I need you guys to click the account at the top right hand side, and I need you guys to sign in. Now, here is the most important part of this video, so I need you guys to pay attention. Now, before you go ahead and sign in or sign up, I need you to hit your Windows key, and then you need to go ahead and type in Microsoft Store. Now, just go ahead and open the Microsoft Store, and once it's open, click on the icon that lets you log in. Now, just go ahead and click on sign in, and here is the crucial fact. You need to log in with either the accounts that you wish to play Minecraft with or you've already purchased Minecraft with. This can cause a lot of problems for a lot of people, so you need to make sure that it is the same account. Great. Now, once we're logged in, we want to also go ahead and type in Xbox in the search bar and hit enter right away. Now, the Xbox app that we'll be installing is this Xbox app that has the 3.5 rating. You want to go ahead and click on that and ensure that this is installed on your PC. This is another thing that causes a lot of problems for people, so ensure that you have Xbox installed from the Microsoft Store on your PC. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and click on the sign up with your Microsoft. And then once you use the same accounts that you used for the Microsoft Store to get into this. So I'm going to sign up and I'll see you guys on the other side of my screen. Now, for those who have their VC card or their MasterCard that want to buy Minecraft, all you have to do is scroll down just a little bit and click on buy now. However, if you have a gift card, just go ahead and click on redeem at the left hand side, and then go ahead and type in the 25 character code for the gift card. Now, since I already have Minecraft purchased, I'm going to switch over to my main account. Now, as you can see, since I purchased the Java Edition, I also have the Bedrock Edition to my disposal. Now, what you guys want to go ahead and do is go ahead and click on the Download Launcher button. Now, if you're on Windows, you can just go ahead and click on this button. However, if you're on Mac or any other operating system, you can go down and select your operating system down here. Now, I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to select the Download Launcher for Windows. Now, this doesn't take that long to download, so just go ahead and double click on that and wait for that to load up. Now, once this loads up, you can see once again that it tells you to be sure that you've logged into the Windows Store by clicking the link below. Now, we've already done that, so we don't need to do that again. All we have to do is accept your terms, and then we can go ahead and click on install. Now, this is going to download Minecraft pretty soon. It's not going to take that much or that long to finish downloading. Now, once here, it's going to say welcome, and then we can go ahead and click on let's go. Now it wouldn't take that long, it's just going to update the Minecraft launcher once again, and then it should be done. Now once the update is done, you're going to see this screen. Now this might be a little different if there's a newer version out, but if there's no newer version out, you should see exactly the same thing. Now you want to go ahead and click on the Java edition at the left hand side of your screen. Now because I logged into the Microsoft Store with my alt account, you can see that's my alt account that logged me in. Now if it doesn't log you in automatically, you can also just go ahead and log in yourself. Now if you have no plans to purchase Minecraft, you can go ahead and play it for free. The trial version is only 100 minutes and I do not recommend that. Now if you go ahead and click on installation here, you're going to see that it gives you two different versions. Now I play the 1.8.9, that's why it's here. However, you're going to see the latest version, which is 1.21.1. Now if you have a custom version you want, just go ahead and click on new installation, and then just go ahead and search for custom version right under this showdown. Go down and search for whatever it is, and then find that and put that here. For example, release 1.18.1. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to name this, let's say 1.18.1, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on create. Now I can go back to my play, and then I can just go ahead and play this very version. Now I'm going to switch over to my main account, and then I'm going to see you guys on the other side. Now I'm on my main account. Once again, I'll be gifting one random person Minecraft. I'm just going to go ahead and click on play because I played the 1.8.9. Now as you can see, the Mojang sign comes up and then it locks Minecraft in. Now I'm going to expand this just a little bit so that you guys can see what I'm doing on my screen. Now most of you will love to play with your friends or play online, so go ahead and click on multiplayer, and then go ahead and click on add server. Now the server name can be anything random. I'm going to make my Hypixel because I'm trying to connect to Hypixel. Then I'll make the server name Hypixel.net server address. Sorry, this has to be on point to be able to get in. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the button to play. Now here I am in a game of Bed Wars on Hypixel. Now if you guys don't have enough money to purchase Minecraft and you'd love a free account, just go ahead and click on the video on the screen. However, if you'd also love to have the Java edition on your Chromebook, just go ahead and click on the video on the screen as well. With that said, it's your boy GD7 Plays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.